guys, we have arrived to the airport, my baby and I, heading to New Zealand for the Polytube Fono. We're going to have fun, God willing. We'll just go and look at that. Yeah. $11.15. Hey, Singapore, Auckland. It's in New Zealand now. Okay, there we go. Hello. Oh yeah, in New Zealand. Hey. Okay. Get my suitcase. And then we go and we'll check in and then we'll get something to eat. Yeah guys, our food has arrived. Those already ate. This is my food. Look at it. It looks good. Look at it. It's a big Thai salad. So I'm gonna get stuck into this. See you guys later. Probably on the plane or something. Hey Savannah. Going onto the plane. Going onto the plane? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Or inside there, making a mess of the shop. So we're gonna board our flight now, guys, but we can't have, you know, like cameras on over there. Not allowed, not allowed. See ya, babe. See ya. See ya, bye. Ooh. Because someone wants to try out the perfume. Hello. Hi. Which one is that?
I have this one.
Yeah, I did have this one, and I gave this one for your Auntie Esther. That's a really...
Their scents are really nice.
Yeah. Does it smell?
I have this one.
Yeah, does it smell nice? Is that the one you're smelling now?
Will you eat it?
Can it smell?
Yeah, you see. This one's really nice. The Flora?
What about this one? Let's sniff at that one.
Actually, it looks great.
Yeah, it can barely smell it, eh? I left my nose is blocked, so... Yeah.
Hi Neil, welcome. Thank you.
Yep.
Kia ora, welcome. Just down this food stall.
Thank you. We're on our flight, guys. Me and my barber. Everyone's just starting to come in on board.
I just didn't know what made it special.
gotta go to the you-know-where and do the you-know-what. Don't say that's a fella. So it's Kia ora in New Zealand, and there was some muck up here, guys. I don't know who to blame.
She left her phone on the plane. That's not my fault. So,
yeah, I did. We come all the way up. We were walking, following everyone, you know. And then I realised I wanted to take a picture of, you know, the tiki that stands in the airport. Well, lucky I did, because then we had time to go back, and then the girl went into the plane and we got my phone back.
Luckily,
Yeah. Then we came out, we went past the duty free, turned right, and we carried on walking. Went the wrong way. Then we met her, like, on our first day, and then we made ourselves feel better, and then we come and got us Dunkin' Donuts. Now we're going to have to go find a taxi. We're going to try and go through Wendy's, or it's better to go sit down and eat at Wendy's. Shall we go home and then we ring a taxi to pick us up?
yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do that. I don't know what's the number of the taxi, but we bought credit, so okay. See, those dogs, they're there to protect us. Anyway, from any bad stuff. See you guys later, I mean. Okay guys, we are in Mangere Airport. Yeah, we're going to find us a taxi. Oh, look at this. What is that?
Get the address up.
Oh yeah, okay. So can you hold on to this? Please film it. Ever so get me. We know what we're doing, right? And lucky I found my phone, because that's where all the
Information is?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I can't even find the phone.
She can't find her phone again. Oh my life. Now we're gonna be stranded. We're gonna sleep on the street.
Oh yeah. Found it. Okay, we're gonna look up.
Some Dunkin' Donuts. Munching donut holes. Sorry that I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah. So Dunkin'. Look at her. She's trying to write out information down for our rooms and everything. So yeah.
Okay. Ready to go. Got an address, guys. Got an address.
Okay, anyone want to come visit us? Come visit us.
Yeah, drop by. Have a cup of coffee. And have some coffee and some Dunkin' Donuts.
So we don't need the car.
With these two losties, her and her grandma. But you guys don't know what her grandma looks like. So that's cool. Come on there. Savannah, where are you going? Are you available? Oh, is that what you say? Okay, hello.
She has it.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. We're going to 667 Mount Albert Road.
Okay.
Thank you, please.
667.
Yes. But it's /1 in the front.
Okay. Is a motel?
It's a B&B.
B&B.
Yeah. Hold this, sweetheart. I'll just put on my seatbelt.
Stupid Tio. You should wait. You're not supposed to cross. He's on duty. And he's walking like,
have said something. I would have sent my granddaughter outside.
One bar 567, right? You said? I'm sorry.
1/667
667.
Mount Albert
Mount
Road.
Albert Road.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, hello.
He's there.
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No, not really.
No, it was hot. She lost her
No,
phone.
Grandma left her phone on the plane, so we had to go back and go get it.
But luckily it was still there.
Yeah, her phone.
Not even day one isn't even finished yet and he's already lost
I
it.
know, that's what I said.
Where's
But-
your jacket, Savannah?
On my hip.
But luckily we found the phone because it had our addresses and everything.
Oh, Carl's Jr. Look, it's Carl's
What did you think?
Jr.
Sleep on the floor?
Mom, it's Carl's Jr. Look.
Oh, Isaac will be excited. It looks like it's like rain.
It is.
It's gonna
Might
rain.
be
It's gonna rain tonight.
Yeah, tonight.
Well, soon.
Oh, yeah, cut out. Yep. I'll talk to you later.
Alright.
Okay, Pat.
Okay.
Carl's Jr.'s in Penrith. Have you guys been there?
Carl's Jr. Penrith.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, we ate there. Didn't you see my video?
No.
You didn't?
Carl's Jr.
In Penrith. Look it up, look it up. Yes, no? We went there. It's a burger place, isn't it?
You're gonna be here for a week or more than a week?
Oh, we just here till Sunday.
Oh, okay, very short time.
Yeah.
Couple of days.
Hello, we arrived. Do you know we went to 3 different addresses? We came with was that an Uber driver, Savannah?
No taxi.
taxi. We got off the plane, it was daylight. Now look out there. Ooh, Boogie Monster. Anyway, the taxi driver was so helpful. So helpful. He took us everywhere. Anyway, check out me and my baby's little room that Sharon rented out for us.
Very fancy.
Yeah, it's nice. This is Savannah's single room. And she's playing with the lights, guys. Look at her already.
No.
So this is the bathroom. I won't go through there. That might be the entryway to... Oh, yeah. So they were nice enough to give us some juice and water. And like we said before, cannot wait, ooh la la, to try those. But we're gonna go into Wendy's just up the road, the road.
Up there.
Yeah. And then she mentioned Chinese food. Oh, I want
She mentioned
some.
a lot. She mentioned Chinese, pizza.
Oh. Don't get full on that, Savannah. What is it? Well, I don't blame you because, yeah.
Yum.
Yeah, I just want to wash my face and then we're later. Anyway, guys, we're going to go to Wendy's. The lady was nice enough to come and turn on the heater, but it actually isn't even cold in here. Anyway, we'll stick our drinks in the fridge here.
There's nothing.
It's not even on. Savannah, is it on? No, that's... I think the light doesn't work.
Oh,
Or is it even plugged in?
yeah.
That might be for the microwave. Oh no, that's for the fridge. Is
It
it?
feels cold.
Oh no, then someone for us popped the light. Okay, that's what we say. Oh, how cool. Well, okay, gotta turn off all the lights. But anyway, for the meantime, I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, guys. Oh.
Zuckies.
Anyway, that drove us like $180.
118.
Well, we did take a while. Yeah. So, well, I didn't mind to pay it because that man was quite nice.
Yeah, he was very helpful. He was very nice.
Yeah, he was very, very helpful. You know, I always say to her, you can drop us here on the first address.
Yeah. And he's like, no, double check. So,
Yeah, so I was good that we wait. I thought we were going to have to catch a taxi. But, well, we can walk up and get us some Wendy's. So we're going to go get us some Wendy's. So, we are here at Wendy's, guys, but due to the copyright music that's on, I have to now have a voiceover. Voiceover. Anyway, guys, we are at Wendy's. My baby, once the food comes, she don't wait for nobody. Not even Jesus. No, don't say that. Anyway, let me stand this video camera up. Yeah. Anyway, guys, focus. Yeah, say, hey, we ready. You're come out, lali. Oh my gosh, Savannah, you eat too much. Yeah, my turn. Okay, guys, are you guys looking? Okay, I'm going to tell you all about the food. Yeah, let me try it first. Okay, yeah, do the hair first, guys, before you eat. Oh, yeah, don't worry, I did say my prayer. Ask Savannah. Okay, oi, 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 da 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 It is so beautiful. The chips, cheese, and bacon. You guys gotta try it if you haven't already. So lovely. Oh, Wendy's, please move to Sydney. We want Wendy's. We want Wendy's. Hey, Savannah. Savannah, are you listening? Yeah, okay then. Yeah. This is my milkshake. I'm taking it home, but I never got to drink it, guys. I'm telling you now in advance. I'm only showing you guys. I'm going to sip it first. Okay. Oh, you were stuck. Nothing came out. Oh, shame, Savannah. Shame. Okay. Anyway, put it down. Put it down. Guys, that was stuck. It wouldn't even let me have any. Yeah, so rude. Yeah, rude. Okay, better get back to my food. Oh, yum. Yum, yum. Bubblegum. Yeah, wipe your mouth, Savannah. Rude. Okay, these chips are so lovely. So lovely. Yeah, mangaya. Yes, Faye, Savannah. Savannah, mangaya. Yeah, Grandma. Yeah, it is. It is, Grandma. Okay, what do you think we should do after this, Savannah? Eat. Okay. Kilo oko. Yeah, yeah. Labalole kalangwa. Yeah. Who's gonna sing us a song? Who's gonna sing us a song? Eu kikira mai kamaro. Wala le pisile ko fayaku. Yeah, awa. Ay, lola burger. See? Look. It's hamburger for days, guys. I got me the double. Are you looking? Yeah, look at my sweetie. Yeah, my hairstyle. Oh, yeah. Can you just buy your burger, man? You talk too much, Vids. Don't tell me what to do. Okay. Okay, guys. Wendy, you did it again. Stop it. It's a little show off, Wendy's. So move to Sydney. Move to Sydney. See, even Savannah's popping up and down because she knows what I'm saying. Anyway, Savannah, look at you. Your burger's nearly finished. What a pig! Piggy, my baby. You are a pig. Yeah, okay. No, I'm not. Yes, you. Yes, she is, guys. Say she is, guys. Come on, tell. Yeah. Yeah, look at her. She's too much. Yeah, that's my baby. Wonder where she gets that from. Yeah, she agrees. Yeah, yeah. Guys, time to eat. Focus, wipe my mouth. Bye, guys. See you at home. Or what, Savannah? What are you talking? Stop this, everyone. I'm talking, Savannah. Okay, guys, I gotta let you guys go. You guys have been a lovely audience, but yeah, we're just gonna eat it quietly. And Savannah's just gonna blah blah over. Look, Savannah. Oh my gosh, look at her. What a fussy. You're fat, guys. Fat. Guys, so sorry. I had to come back. I didn't even give you guys a bite. Here, take a bite. Sorry. How can I be so rude? Not sharing and caring with my audience. Oh, sorry, guys. You know I always give you guys a bite, but this time I forgot because Wendy's burger is so yummy. Hey, can you guys tell Wendy's to move to Sydney, please? Because we really need it. Ask that boy over there too. Oh, this camera. Stand properly. Savannah, come on. Eat up, eat up. We're going home straight after this, Savannah. Okay. Hey, great, Savannah. Yeah. Savannah, wipe your mouth. You're eating too much. Wonder where you get that from. Yeah. Can't be from your grandma. Yeah. I've got a saw. Yeah. Fast food, guys. Fast food.